Hello, I'm Randall Bro, a realtor in Prescott, Arizona. I wanted to give a testimonial for Stellar Repair from Microsoft Access. So we use Microsoft Access a lot in our business, and we custom design a lot of applications. One in particular was very important to us, and for whatever reason, it became corrupted. And I was looking at the better part of a week to redevelop it. Instead, I discovered Stellar Repair online and downloaded it within, I would say, about 20 minutes. It had reconstituted the Access database and saved most of the work. Maybe a couple of things that were so corrupt it wasn't able to save it. But I would say 99% of the application was recovered, and we were very delighted by that. So if you are using a Microsoft Access database and it gets corrupted and you are facing a similar situation, I would highly recommend using Stellar Repair. It was quick and easy and cost effective. A very good product. So good luck with your Microsoft Access problems, and I hope you have a similar experience. I'm sure you will.